Hey there. So in this video, I'll show you how to use the split screen in your iPad. So first of all, you just need to go to settings here, and in the settings, just go to multitasking and gestures. Make sure you select this one, Windows apps. Okay, otherwise you cannot do the split screen. So after selecting this one, also you can make it the shortcut here. You can choose from here. You can see this button, just press it and it will go to full screen apps, and when you just press it, it will go to Windows apps. So whenever you are in Windows apps, then only we can do the split screen. So now let's do the split screen. So just minimize this. So let's say I want to do 4 split screen. Okay, I want to open notes, and then I will go to just see these 3 tiny buttons, tiny red circles or yellow and green. Just press on it. Okay, and you'll see there are fill and arrange. So just press 4 here. Okay, you can just resize it like this and open another app. Let's say I want to open music. So open music here, and you will just press it here and like this. Okay, then let's say I want to open another app, for example Safari. So in Safari also just make it swipe it down, and you will see these 3 tiny buttons. So click on here, long press here, and you will see fill and arrange. So click on this 4 split screen, and whenever you do that, it will overlap here. So you just need to bring it down, and you will see you can just resize it according to your needs and requirements. Okay, so let's say I want to do another app, and I want to do this settings app. I want to open this. Okay, so just press it, just swipe it downward, and press it, and you will see click here. Now just move this settings one to here. So now you have 4 apps ready, and you can use simultaneously. So you can multitask and easily make decisions, and you will improve your productivity. Okay, so this is for the new iOS 26 update. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.